Hi friends, how are you all? Today I'm talking about my school. I love my school very much. This is the place where I spend much time like at home. My kindergarten is my second home. Every day we go to school, we feel so happy to study together and work together with our friends. We like our teacher. She is a kind and lovely person. We all respect our teacher. After finishing our studies, we clean our classroom. It is our responsibility to keep our classroom clean. Everybody has different kinds of hobbies. School is the place where we can practice our hobbies. I like to ride a bicycle. What about you? In tiffin break, we are having our food together. We bring healthy and delicious food. Healthy food give us energy and make our bodies stronger. I love to go to school. Tell me about you.